Hello, everyone, and today's topic is scientific notation. I am Professor Sims, and today Sims slays scientific notation. Scientific notation is a short version of writing very large numbers or very small numbers. Scientific notation in standard form is written as n times 10 raised to a power of lowercase n. Our capital N has to be greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. Our n, lowercase n, is a integer. So let's look at an example. Let's look at the number 5,200,000. And I would like to write this number in scientific notation. So, to get our capital N and our lowercase n, we want to take our decimal point, which sits behind our last number, and move it to the left. And we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't want to stop here because this number says 52. But if I move it over one more time between the 5 and the 2, now we're at 5.2. 5.2 is a number, is our capital N, that is greater than 1 and less than 10, times 10 raised to the, our lowercase n simply represents how many times we moved our decimal point to the left. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 10 raised to the 6th power. Let's look at now an example of a small number. Let's say if we have 0.00034. And this is read 34 hundred thousandths. And we want to write this number in scientific notation. Well, here again, we still want to move our decimal point, but this time, folks, we're moving our decimal point to the right. And again, we want to move it to the right until we get to a number that is greater than or equal to 1, but less than 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Don't want to stop here. That's 0.34. But if we move it over again, we now have what? 3.4. 3.4 is greater than 1 and less than 10, times 10 raised to the, now how many times did we move our decimal point? Again, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Folks, this time, since we moved it to the right, our exponent needs to be negative. And here are 2 examples of writing in scientific notation. And again, recap, our first number has to be between 1 and 10, and our lowercase n that represents an integer. Thank you.